Okay, guys, this was a requested tutorial about setting up the Dumbo DDF-350 10 channel. And right now I have it set on my Revo / T-Max. So I got my Sport Max, got the Revo. They both pretty much use roughly the same settings. So I try to stack as many vehicles as I can. But we're going to start with this as if we're doing a new car. So I've already got the battery hooked up. We're bound. It actually happens to turn properly. Let's see if the throttle is right. Okay, so throttle is backward. But first off, you want to go into your model settings. So you can start with either, but this gets you into mode. Go down to transmitter settings, and you're going to scroll down. I don't know if you can see the scroll or not, the highlight or not, but transmitter settings. You're going to scroll down to the model name. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this with my, so you see that there, you can see it moving there. I don't have my sound on because it irritates me. So we're going to go in and let's see, where are we? I believe it's perks. Let's see, race, roadkill, grave robber, rusto mod. Yeah, okay. Jatosi, that's my Jado with a low C 3.4. Anyway, okay. All right, perps. Okay, so now we're going to highlight perps. Now we're on perps. So that should be this car. That's Purple Nurple. This is the perps. She's a HPI RS4. Right. And okay, so it must have gotten flipped around because I probably used it for another vehicle. It happens. I probably took the receiver, stuck it in something else, blah blah blah. So first off, your power button is always your back button whenever you're in the middle of any of these modes. So back, that's going to hold that now, and now I'm on perps, as you guys can see. So I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to go to the general menu. Oops, see what happens when you accidentally push that one. Okay, go to the general menu. And then we're going to, let's see, rudder reading. We're going to go to, this is your selection, your roll up and down, and then your selection. We're going to go to, we got to reverse our throttle. Reverse the throttle. Now we got throttle, now we got brake. Okay. So you can either scroll away from it, it'll stay there. If you back out, it'll go back one page. We're going to go back in there because we need to now reset the endpoint for that channel. Endpoints. So we're going to scroll down to the throttle side first. Oh, I passed it. Highlight it. Now it's red. Let me pop the air filter off. And then let me see. Okay, so we need to add a little bit. Nah, that's probably good. I gotta do something about that. See that hop? I gotta do something about that because that's making the throttle twitch. Okay, so we got our throttle set, endpoint set. So back out one with your power because that's your back, so that's going to save that setting, whether we changed it or not, whatever. But back out. Now we're on that still, but we're there. And if you back out again, and now everything should be set, and that's that. And then if you go to a different vehicle, you know, you're out you know, you got multiple vehicles on here. Go in to your vehicles and switch it. And now that setting is for that car. See how this is my right turn, but see, so still communicating with the same receiver. See how the endpoints are all different now, and all that stuff is different now. So we go back in, back up to the perps, back out, and we're there. And everything's there. Endpoints set, brake set. And that's that, guys. Okay, guys, and now this is in regards to setting a model. Because, now why they didn't put it in the model menu, I don't know. But it's actually in transmitter settings. And then you're going to go, well, we're already on the perps. Let's just go there. We'll go model renaming. And let's say we change something, right? So let's say, let's see, the purple nurple and that one is getting a little bit confusing. So let's change this. They're both HPI, so that's not going to do me any good. Can't go purple HPI. So let's go with, let's back up one. Let's go with perp. We need a name for her. She needs a name. I don't know what her name is. So let's just, well, here, you know what? I'll show you as an example because I changed it. I deleted the S, but I'm not going to save it. The reason I was doing this video was to show if you don't hit that little check mark after you make any changes, it won't save it. So watch, we're going to back out. I'm not going to hit the check mark. We're just going to back out of there. See how it still has the S? So that's the one thing I wanted to show about model renaming. You can do model copy, model paste, and things like that. But model reset will put everything back to factory settings and things. But the model renaming, I think that a lot of guys are having issues with that because they're not hitting the check mark at the end. Make sure you hit that check mark at the end. All right, guys. Good luck out there.